Chapter 81. The Overthrowing. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. When the sun is overthrown, and when the stars shall fall, and when the mountains are made to pass away, and when the pregnant she-camels are neglected, and when the wild beasts are gathered together, and when the sea shall become a blazing fire, and when the souls shall be joined with their bodies, and when the female infant buried alive shall be questioned, for what crime was she killed? And when the written pages of deeds of every person shall be laid open, and when the heavens shall be stripped away and removed from their place, and when hell-fire shall be kindled to blaze fiercely, and when paradise shall be brought near, then every person will know what he has prepared. So surely I swear by the planets that recede, and by the planets that move swiftly and hide themselves, and by the night as it departs, and by the dawn as it brightens, surely this is the word of a most honorable messenger, endowed with power and high rank before the Lord of the throne, one to be obeyed and faithful in trust. O people, your companion Muhammad is not a madman, and indeed he saw him on the clear horizon, and he does not withhold knowledge of the unseen, and it is not the word of the outcast Satan. So where are you going? Surely this is no less than a reminder to all mankind and jinn, to whomever among you who wishes to walk straight, and you will not, unless Allah wills it, the Lord of mankind, jinn, and all that exists.